Dudu ne am the gridam kama ina the gridirga pamaya. The pin hakum kama ima paga. Singalam pa purti pataka duin nangka. So this is Dr. Olektamu presenting the Noying Galup Ayok Talu Dunyuk to His Excellency Honorable Minister of Power, Industry, Handloom and Handicraft, Sri Tamiyo Taga. Cheer up everybody! Jordan Taliyo ki gargaraat honi chahiye. Thank you very much, audience. You guys are pretty lovely. We have the privilege to have the company of His Excellency, the IAS Officer, Commissioner, Industry, Handloom and Handicraft Officer, Sri... Oh, I'm so sorry, it's Tahang Taga. Sorry for mistake. Our guest of honor is being presented by Noin Galu, Ayok, Talu, and Dunyuk as well. It is presented by Mrs. Yakot Tamut. Dolong kita regalo pa pilig bila hupaga. Everybody please cheer up. Give a big hand. Mara dolong kita regalo pa pilig bilay ka. This is Mrs. Yakot Tamut presenting Adi Gala to the chief guest, to Mrs. Chief Guest, Mrs. Guest of Honor. Sorry.